building. It's not just a nice place to work in, but it's quite spectacular as well.
The reasons behind specifying BareStone were several, really. First of all, the building is very much about using materials that don't need adornment. They can exist in their natural state, if you like. And so with BareStone, it has a treatment as part of its manufacture, and so for weathering and so on, it's ideal. The other reason is that its colour is part of the colour palette of the building. We use concrete and natural colours throughout, and so sort of natural disposition, or the colour disposition of BareStone suited our palette very well.
One of the core investments within this facility is the seed vault, which is quite an amazing facility in its own right. It's a concrete cube. It's designed for protecting our core investment, which are the seeds from all around Australia. It currently holds around 100 million seeds from about a fifth of Australia's 25,000 plant species. We asked the engineers to model the best systems and perhaps the best structure, and one of the things that they've come up with is using BareStone as an external cladding product, which is effectively taking the heat load of the western sun, and then you have an air gap which allows the air to pass through and sort of remove some of that heat. Those combination of layers to the building and the transfer of air minimises the transfer of heat and gives us the thermal mass that we require to keep those seeds cool for long periods of time.
We will certainly use BareStone again. It's a material that has longevity. As I said, it's an unadorned material. It's a modern material in that it's a composite. It's a technologically good material. It's environmentally good for production as well. You know, it's not eating up natural resources.
It's such an interesting building because on the outside you get quite different experiences. You move around the building, you've got these BareStone elements on the eastern facade, and then you come underneath this reflective stainless steel to the interior, and you've got this repetition and randomness of the stainless steel. And then you come inside and the interior is these sparkling layers of glass bounced off with an element that was outside the BareStone product is now reused back inside, and it sort of mimics the real concrete that we've got in the seed vault, and these wonderful polished floors just give this wonderful collective element, and people are blown away. We're getting wonderful feedback right across the board that draws in the elements of interpretation, our science, but has still this architectural strong element behind it, which BareStone's one of those core products.